Hello, welcome to another episode of A Journey to a 100K MRR. In this episode, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna do a sort of a sprint or a mini series, which is to get to a 1K MRR in 30 days. And yeah, you might think like, oh, if you only do 1K in a month, how are you gonna get to 100K in 12 months? Well, I believe in compound effect, so I think eventually I'll figure it out, exponential growth. But because it's things are kind of becoming stale, at least for me, I decided to try a new mini challenge, which is to get to a 1K MRR in a month, or divide that into $5. That would be 200 subscribers in 30 days. And yeah, right now I have 20. So I'm actually 10% there. So the rough idea is, I installed a new thing called Revenue Cat, which is like it's kind of like Stripe but for apps. Anyway, it should be 60 MRR, 70 MRR. And yeah, so the game plan is so I know that there's like different steps. So I don't know the exact numbers, but more or less it goes like 50% of the app downloads will sign on to the free trial, and then from there about like another 50% converts to a paid subscriber, more or less. And I think, yeah, this is from the website, so it's not the right numbers, but it shows the idea. And I made a version 2 of the app with a lot more features. I think it's looking quite good. It looks like a real app now. So, yeah, and I try to make it super simple and clear. App Store optimization, I believe, is the word. So I added a journaling and a habit tracking feature into it, plus like a AI analysis into. I sprinkled in AI into all of it. Um, so I think the app itself is quite strong, and has a lot of power. So yeah, in other words, I need 200 paying subscribers. Um, and for some reason, this is not capturing all the current active subscribers. I assume because um, yeah, because it's new and it needs to refresh or whatever. But yeah, I think it'll be a fun mini challenge. So just off the top of my head, 200 paying subscribers. If we assume, I think about 20% was converting from the download to paying subscribers. So if we assume the same numbers, that would be yeah, about like 1,000 app downloads. And to get 1,000 app downloads, I would need about 30 downloads per day, 33, 34 downloads per day. Um, and, if we assume 5% of a view converts to a download, then X times 0.5% would equal 34. So in other words, that would be divided by 5%. So I would need 700 views. That sounds too good to be true. Yeah, okay. Yeah, maybe I only need 700 views per day to get 34 downloads. Or I guess like somewhere between that. So that would be assuming like 0.1% conversion rate. So let's just average it out. Yeah, about 1,000, 2,000 views per day, which is actually easy, I think. Yeah, I didn't expect that to be low. I thought it would be like tens of thousands of views per day. But that's like actually totally doable. Okay, so yeah, where are we? I think like day 35 or something. So by day 65, I will be at 1K MRR. Right now it's at 22. Well, it should be 60. And that's just from my app. If I include my website, that would be like 122. So I'm actually 10% there. But yeah, 1K MRR and 30-day challenge. Let's make it happen.